Hey there! Running into that pesky BLZBNTAGT000008A4 error while trying to kick off Call of Duty Warzone or any other Battle.net game? No worries at all. I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing that error step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. Start by clicking on the search icon, type in CMD and hit enter. Right-click on the command prompt, choose Run as Administrator and click Enter. Now enter netsh space winsock space reset and hit Enter. Follow it up with ipconfig /flushdns and hit Enter. Afterwards, type ipconfig /release and hit Enter. Now input ipconfig /renew and press Enter. Next, type netsh space int space ip space reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll include these commands in the video description below. Finally, reboot your computer and check if you find a match. Solution 2. Try using an optimized DNS server. First, open command prompt. If you can't find it, simply type CMD in the search bar and command prompt will appear. Click on it. Now, type ping 1111 and press enter to get the ping details. Next, type ping 8888 and press enter. After finding the DNS with the lowest ping, go to settings and click on network and internet. Then click on Ethernet. Click on the edit button next to DNS server assignment. Select manual, turn on IPv4 if it's off, then add the DNS server with the lowest ping in the preferred DNS box. For alternate DNS, type 1001 if using 1111 DNS or 8844 if using 8888. Click save and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. If the error persists, try turning on compatibility options. Right-click on Call of Duty from your desktop, then select Open File Manager. Navigate to the Retail folder and find COD. Right-click on it and select Properties. Switch to the Compatibility tab. Tick the Run this program as an administrator box. Click Apply and then OK. Repeat the same steps for the Battle.net icon on your desktop. Once done, you should be able to enjoy your game without encountering this error. And that wraps up our troubleshooting for the BLZBNTAGT000008A4 error in Call of Duty Warzone or any other Battle.net game. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.